Hello viewers, a warm welcome to everyone. We have seen 80 amendments that are made to Indian Constitution till now. In this video, we are going to cover from 81 to 94. The 81st Amendment was carried out in June 2000. It did away with the limitation of 50% reservation of the total vacancies imposed by the Supreme Court in Balaji case. The amendment enables the government to fill the backlog of vacancies for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, as these vacancies are to be treated as a separate class of vacancies to be filled in any succeeding year of years. In simple words, the amendment has made recruitment to carry vacancies smooth. The 82nd Amendment, carried out in 2000, restored the relaxation in qualifying marks and standards of evaluation in both job reservation and promotions to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. This was set aside by Supreme Court through its judgment in 1996. The Supreme Court had ruled that the relaxation in the matter of reservation was not permissible under Act 16 of the Constitution in view of the command contained in Article 335 of the Constitution. 83rd Amendment, carried out in 2000, amended Article 243M with a view to exempt Arunachal Pradesh in the matter of statutory reservations for scheduled caste in village panchayatis, as the state doesn't have any person belongs to that social class. It provided a new class which states that nothing in Article 243 relating to reservation of seats for the scheduled caste shall apply to the state of Arunachal Pradesh. 84th Amendment was carried out in 2001. It frees the number of representatives in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies at the current level for another 25 years up to 2026. 85th Amendment was carried out in 2002. It allowed government employees belonging to the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes accelerated seniority consequent upon their elevation under the reservation rules with effect from June 1995. The amendment provided for consequential seniority to the SC and STs for promotion in government service by virtue of the rule of reservation. 86th Amendment was carried out in 2002. It made free and compulsory primary education a fundamental right. It stipulated that the government shall provide free and compulsory education to all children from the age 6 to 14 in such a manner as the state may by law determine. Further, it seeks to compel parents to send their children to school by making it a fundamental duty under Article 51A. The amendment also enjoins on the state to make endeavour to provide early childhood care and education to all children till they complete 6 years of age. 87th Amendment 2003 made the 2001 census the basis for delimitation of constituencies of Lok Sabha and the state legislatures. The amendment provided for readjustment of electoral constituencies, including those reserved for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, on the basis of 2001 census, without affecting the number of seats allocated to the states in the legislative bodies. 88th Amendment in 2003 empowered the Centre to levy service tax and allowed both the centre and state to collect and appropriate this tax. 89th Amendment in 2003 created National Commission for the Scheduled Tribes consist of a chairperson, vice chairperson and 3 other members to be appointed by the President. 19th Amendment in 2003 provided that for elections to Legislative Assembly of Assam, the representation of the scheduled tribes and non-scheduled tribes in the constituencies included in the Bodoland Tertial Areas district shall be maintained. 91st Amendment 2003 debate defectors from holding any public office as a minister or any other remunerative term of existing legislature or until fresh elections are held. The amendment also restricted the size of Council of Ministers, both at the center and the state level, to 15% of the total Lok Sabha or Assembly members. However, in case of smaller states like Sikkim, Mizoram, Goa, where the strength of the assemblies varies from 30 to 40, the minimum size of the Council of Ministers, including the Chief Minister, has been fixed at 12. The 92nd Amendment in 2003 added four new languages Bodo, Dogri, Mithali, Santali to the 8th schedule of the Constitution. With this addition, the total number of languages in the 8th schedule has risen to 22. The 93rd Amendment in 2005 made a provision for reservation for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and OBCs in private unaided educational institutions. As a result of this amendment, the private schools and other institutions would be brought under the reservation umbrella. 94th Constitutional Amendment 2006. This amendment exempted the state of Bihar from the obligation of having a tribal welfare minister. However, this provision was extended to the states of Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. It may be noted that this provision is already applicable to states of Madhya Pradesh and Orissa. Thank you all listeners. These are the end of Indian constitutional videos. I mean the amendments which are made to Indian constitutions till now. Hope you like them. If yes, please like, subscribe and comment on our channel. Thank you very much.